Hello student, you are welcome in online teaching. Today we learn the Standard 7 General Science lesson number 3, how to solve exercise, how to write the answer of the given exercise. Lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. Lesson number 3, properties of natural resources. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज लेसन है, इसका जो है एक्सरसाइज लास्ट में दिया गया है लेसन की, उसका आंसर आप कैसे लिखोगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आप जो है लिख सकते हैं। तो सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। देयर इज सम वर्ड इज गिवन, टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूम, मास, डेंसिटी, ह्यूमिडिटी, acidic, weight, natural and shape. You choose the correct answer and write under the blanks. Question number 1 or A. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the dash of the air. Answer is density. You write humidity. Your answer is humidity. Humidity is given in bracket. Humidity, you write humidity. Next question B. Water does not have a dash but has definite dash and dash. There is 3 answer. What you say? What you write? You write shape. Water does not have a shape. First you write shape but has definite density, and mass. Your answer is first shape, then density, then mass. There is given in bracket density, shape, density and mass is given in bracket. First you write shape, then density and then mass. Your question is C, number 3rd or C. While freezing, the dash of water is lower. What is your answer? Your answer is density. Third number answer is density. Density is given in bracket. Question number 4 RD dash soil has pH 7. Soil has pH 7. This answer is natural. Your answer is natural. Natural soil has pH 7. Natural is given in bracket. And then question number 5th is extra and 6th is extra. This question is not given in your book exercise. You also learn this question. The dash pressure is the same in all the direction. Atmospheric, this answer is atmospheric. The atmospheric pressure is the same in all the direction. Question number 6 are an effect of the difference in air pressure. Answer is winds. Winds are an effect of the difference in air pressure. So your first question is completed. See the question number 2nd. Question number 2nd, how to write question number 2nd. Question number 2nd, how to write. Here is question number 2nd. Why is it said that? Give the scientific reason. ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है, इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन बताना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2nd में आपको कुछ चीज़ें दी गई हैं, ऐसा क्यों होता है, इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन आपको बताना है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एयर इज ए होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ वेरियस गैसेस। इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन क्या है, क्या लिखेंगे? आंसर, देयर आर मेनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट गैसेस इन द एयर, they are in the form of mixture. The separate existence of each gas is not felt. The individual gases cannot be separated easily. Therefore, the air is said to be the homogeneous mixture। इस तरह से इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वाटर इज ए यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट। इस आंसर, मेनी सब्सटेंसेस easily dissolve in water, therefore water is said to be the universal solvent। वाटर में कोई भी चीज़ आप डालेंगे आसानी से घुल जाता है, इसलिए इसको ऐसा कहा जाता है। मेनी सब्सटेंसेज इजीली डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, देयरफॉर वाटर इज सेड टू बी द यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव टू वाटर फॉर क्लीनिंग पर्पज। क्लीनिंग पर्पज के लिए वाटर का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है, ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? सी द आंसर, मेनी सब्सटेंसेस कैन डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, देयरफॉर फॉर बाथिंग, क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स एंड वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स वाटर बिकम्स वेरी यूजफुल सॉल्वेंट। इट इज चीप, easily available remedy for cleaning purpose, therefore it is said that there is no alternative to water for cleaning purpose। तो इस तरह से यानी क्लीनिंग पर्पज़ के लिए वाटर के अलावा कोई भी चीज़ आप यूज नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि इसका जो है रीजन है यहाँ पे आपने देखा, मेनी सब्सटेंसेस कैन डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, देयरफॉर फॉर बाथिंग, क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल and washing clothes water becomes very useful solvent। It is cheap, easily available remedy for cleaning purpose, therefore it is said that there is no alternative to water for cleaning purpose। इस तरह से इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं। सीधे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज गिवन इन योर बुक। जो आपकी बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दिया गया है, उसका आंसर आप कैसे लिखोगे? How to write answer to question number 3? See the question number 3. Question number 3. What will happen if? What will happen? ऐसा क्या होगा, क्या घटित घटनाएं हो सकती हैं अगर ऐसा हुआ तो? इस तरह से इसमें पूछा गया है, What will happen if? अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या घटना घटित होगी? तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन हैं, इसका जो है आंसर आप कैसे लिखेंगे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और ए इन योर बुक, दिस क्वेश्चन इज ए, द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर इन द एयर इंक्रीजेज। आंसर, व्हेन द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर इंक्रीजेज इन द एयर द ह्यूमिडिटी राइजेज, द एयर बिकम्स ह्यूमिड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और बी, ओनली वन क्रॉप इज गिवन, ओनली वन क्रॉप इज ग्रोन रिपीटेडली इन द सॉइल। एक ही क्रॉप बार बार अगर पैदा की गई क्रॉप में तो क्या होगा? दिस आंसर इफ सेम क्रॉप इज ग्रोन अगेन एंड अगेन, इट्स टेक्सचर डिस्टर्ब एंड द fertility is lower, the soil does not support the cultivation and the crop will not give proper yield। So your answer is second is completed। Question number 4th, how to write question number 4th answer? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विथ whom शुड आई पेयर अप? हमारा जोड़ी किसके साथ बनेगा? तो इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th, whom, विथ whom शुड आई पेयर अप? इसमें आपका जो क्वेश्चन दिया गया है, ग्रुप ए, ग्रुप बी दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में। ग्रुप सी द ग्रुप ए एयर, फर्स्ट सेकेंड वाटर, थर्ड सॉइल। इन ग्रुप बी एक्सर्शन, scattering of light, plasticity। तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? सी द आंसर, एयर स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट। पेयर अप करेंगे तो एयर स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट, वाटर एक्सर्शन, सॉइल प्लास्टिसिटी। योर Question number 4th is completed. See the question number 5th. Question number 5th. State whether the following statements are true or false. इसमें true false बताना है कि जो बातें बताई गई हैं, कही गई हैं, ये सही है या गलत है, true or false. See the question. A. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. So this sentence is true. You write true. Question number B or 2. Seawater is a bad conductor of electricity. This sentence is false. So you write answer is false. In B number or 2 number, seawater is a bad conductor of electricity. This sentence is wrong, so you write false. Question number 3rd or C. The substances in which a solvate dissolve is called a solvent. Question number 3rd में जो है आपको क्या लिखना है, this is true. ये बात सही है. The substances in which a solvent dissolve is called a solvent. It is true. You write answer true. Question number 4th और जो है D. The pressure started by air is called atmospheric pressure. Question number sentence number 4th or D is also right, so you write true. This answer is true. First is true. First your answer is A answer is true, B answer is false, C answer is true, and 4 D answer is true. Your answer is completed. Question number 5. See the question number 6. How to write question number 6. Question number 6. Explain the picture in your own word. There is 2 picture A and B. In picture A you see water and picture B you see ice. There is some differences. Explain the picture in your own words. How to explain this picture? There is what in difference? Answer. In figure A water is seen in the crevice over a land surface. This water is in liquid form. And in figure B, the same water is converting into solid ice. Answer. And third number, as the temperature is decreasing, the water is freezing. Since there is formation of ice, that means the temperature is less than 4 degrees Celsius. The water whose temperature is less than 4 degrees Celsius become less dense, but its volume increase. The water start expanding, which is shown by arrows in figure B. Due to enormous expansion of water, the crevices in figure B now looks bigger than the crevice in water A, figure A. यहाँ पर देख सकती हैं, यहाँ पे वाटर है, लिक्विड में है, फर्स्ट में वाटर है लिक्विड में है, सेकंड पिक्चर नंबर बी में वाटर आइस बन गया. तो वाटर कैसा होता है, आइस बनने के बाद उसका वॉल्यूम बढ़ता है, इसलिए वहाँ पे ज़्यादा जगह लिया है, इधर से कम जगह लिया है, ऐसा आपको क्वेश्चन में दिख रहा है. तो इसमें आप 1 2 3 4 तक भी लिखेंगे तो योर आंसर इज राइट. तो शॉर्ट में लिखिए फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. योर आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड. Question number 7. Write answer to the following question in your own word. There is some question are given, you write their answer. Question number 7th A. How is light scattered by the air? How to write answer? Air consists of a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. When the light falls on the minute particles present in the air, these particles spread the light in all the direction. The third is, this is called scattering of light. Your answer is completed. Number A. You see the number B. Number B. Explain the various properties of water. Explain the various properties of water. Water की properties आपको बताना है. Water has following properties. First is fluidity. Water has the property of fluidity due to which it can flow. Water is therefore used for transport and generation of electricity. Second, coolant. It can cool the heated equipment. Third is universal solvent. Almost all the things dissolve in water and hence it is called universal solvent. Ability to perform body function. Water take part in the different biochemicals reaction taking place in the body. Cleaning ability. Water can clean almost everything thus used in the day-to-day life. See the question number C. Question number C. Why is the density of seawater more than that the rainwater? Answer is, there are many dissolved salt in the seawater. Therefore, the density of seawater is more than the rainwater. सी वाटर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिजॉल्व रहती हैं, इसलिए उसकी डेंसिटी जो है रेन वाटर से ज़्यादा होती है. डी नंबर. व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गुड सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर डी का? सी देखो आंसर. गुड सॉइल स्ट्रक्चर रिजल्ट इन गुड फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल. व्हेन सॉइल इज ऑफ गुड quality, the roots get sufficient supply of oxygen. In which soil the water drainage is good, the plant grow well in such soil. See the question number E. What are the various uses of soil? soil का यूज देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन, प्लांट कंजर्वेशन. Soil helps plants to grow. Second, water conservation. Soil has water holding capacity, therefore water is available to us throughout the year. Third is plasticity. Plasticity is the property due to which soil can be given any required shape. Therefore, various articles are made from soil. They are baked and made hard for longer use. See the question number F. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Answer. See the answer. इस तरह से क्यों जो है सॉइल का टेस्टिंग कराना इम्पोर्टेंस है फार्मर्स के लिए, इसका आंसर देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज द फार्मर वांट्स ए गुड प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम हिज क्रॉप्स. द फार्मर्स वांट्स ए गुड produce from his crops. Second, by testing the soil, he understands the constituents of soil in his farm. Number third, color, texture and the proportion of organic matter in the soil is tested by various testing procedure. Fourth one, if there is any deficiency in the soil, that is also found out. Measures to be taken to remove deficiency are also suggested. Fifth is the pH and the electrical conductivity tests are particularly useful in understanding the characteristic of soil. See the question number G. Question number G. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Answer 1. Air is the medium for transmission of the sound. Number 1. Air is the medium of transmission of sound. Second, we are able to perceive the sound due to the air around us. Third is the sound waves travel through the medium of air and reach us. Fourth number is in absence of sound we cannot hear the sound, hence air is most important for the transmission of the sound. यानी जो हम साउंड सुनते हैं अपनी जो है ईयर के द्वारा, अगर ईयर नहीं होता तो हमें सुनाई नहीं पड़ता. तो एयर इज द मीडियम फॉर द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द साउंड. सेकेंड, वी आर एबल टू परसीव the sound due to the air around us. The sound waves travel through the medium of air and reach us. Fourth number, in absence of sound we cannot hear the sound, hence air is most important for the transmission of sound. Number H. Question number H. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? फ्रीजर में आप जो है क्यों पूरा भरा हुआ ग्लास का बॉटल नहीं रखते हैं, थोड़ा खाली रखते हो, क्यों रखते हैं? आंसर 1. Answer, see the answer. Number 1, due to anomalous expansion of water, it expands while getting frozen. Second number, when the temperature goes below 4 degrees Celsius, the density of water start decreasing and at the same time the volume increases. Third number, temperature in freezer is always less than 4 degrees Celsius. This cause expansion of the water. Due to expansion of bottle may burst.